The Cooking Pro Multi has been out for quite a while. It is a weird but unique looking device in your kitchen that can measure, chop, and prepare food for you without you having to really do much. It's got a really awesome tablet with recipes that you can cycle through, which is also really incredibly cool. But we're not talking about CookingPal right now for the Multi. That's past, that's old news. We're at CES, it's new tech time. So we're gonna talk about their newest product about to come out later this year. That's the Pronto. This is their smart pressure cooker. This device, it has the same features with regards to the recipes. You'll be able to work with the Multi to basically do all that work at the same time and then know when to switch one to the other. Very helpful, but it's a smart pressure cooker. So you know the annoying setting of having to always be there to release the pressure? That's gone. The device is able to release the pressure itself because it's smart. It's able to follow precise recipes. And it's a lot safer because you don't miss out on that time. You don't have to worry about constantly watching it. It's going to be a lot better for you and for forgetful cooks as well. But that's not the only thing, because this is future tech. So what's the thing that's going to make this the next level? That is their adapter that goes on top of the pressure cooker and can turn any pressure cooker of the regular size of this one into an air fryer, which is really cool. You put that right on top, it forms a seal, and it air fries inside the unit. Then past that point, if you want to, you can even plug in both units. They have their own cords for each, and you can run cooking from the bottom in the pressure cooker in the Pronto and the air fryer up top and really get yourself a full cook. A really amazing adapter and unit, more than you're gonna get with a regular air fryer, which is just awesome. So again, if you're looking for something new, something cool in your kitchen, and you already have the Multi, then the Pronto is your next tool for your kitchen for CookingPal. We'll see you guys next time.